I love this little snatch because I think when you open up the face, it always gives it that really kind of youthful feel. So super easy. We're just gonna take a tail comb and we're gonna work from the crown to just above the ears. So I'm going to be using Cult Favorite hairspray. This is an amazing hairspray, especially for colour treated hair, because it's not going to dull it down. And what I hate about hairsprays is sometimes, especially on blondes, it really dulls the blonde down. I want to keep that sparkle in there, you know, we worked hard to get it. So a little bit of spray in at the root, just around the hairline. And then I love to spray my brush. So really load up the brush before you go in there. And then go up, and we're going to snatch up that front to give it that real modern feel. Okay, so we're gonna now tie that hair off. I think the key is when you're doing this to keep the hair super snatched and keep tying the hair close to the scalp. Okay guys, so there you have it. We just snatched up the front and gave it a really cool modern finish.